Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this lacy popcorn stitch granny square. So let's get started. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch to join and form a ring, chain 3. That takes the place of a double crochet and a chain 1 space. Double crochet in the ring, chain 1, double crochet in the ring. Repeat to make 12 double crochet and 12 chain 1 spaces in the ring. So chain 1, double crochet. Repeat around. Okay, I've worked all my 12 double crochet and 12 chain 1 spaces. At the end of the row, chain 1, slip stitch to join in the second stitch of that first chain 3. Slip stitch into the next chain 1 space. Now we're going to make popcorn stitches in each one of these spaces. So for the first popcorn stitch, chain 2, and that takes the place of the first double crochet. And I'm going to make 4 stitch popcorn stitches, so I'm going to make 3 more double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and because I'm only going to make 4 stitch popcorn stitches, I'm going to go ahead and complete the popcorn stitch. So remove your hook from that last stitch, count back 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, insert your hook into that stitch, and then go back and pick up the dropped stitch and pull it through, and that's your popcorn stitch. Now chain 2, 1, 2, we're going to make a popcorn stitch in this chain 1 space. So 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remove the hook from that stitch, count back 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, insert into that stitch, pick up the dropped stitch and pull it through. Chain 2, 1, 2. I'll show you one more popcorn stitch and then I'll go all the way around. So 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remove the hook from the stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pick up the stitch and pull it through. Chain 2, 1, 2. So we're going to repeat all the way around. Okay, I've worked all the way around. There's my last chain 2, and I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of the first popcorn stitch, and you'll find it behind that little protruding section. If your motif wants to curl a bit, just give it a bit of a stretch. Slip stitch into the next chain 2 space. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single crochet in the next chain 2 space. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single crochet in the next chain 2 space. Like that, and repeat all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around, making chain 6 spaces. There's my last chain 6. Slip stitch to join in the base of the first chain 6. And I have 12 loops. So now I'm going to turn this into a square. Slip stitch into the next chain 6 space. And I'm going to make my first corner in this chain 6 space. So chain 2, and that takes the place of the first double crochet. 4 more double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Make 5 more double crochet in this same space. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so there's my first corner. Chain 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochet. Now it forms a corner. Now chain 1, single crochet in the next loop, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next loop, chain 1. Now I'm going to make a corner in this next stitch. So 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Make 5 more double crochet in the same loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 1, single crochet in the next loop, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next loop, chain 1, make a corner in the next loop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 5 more double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 1, single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet, chain 1, corner stitch. Chain 1, single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet, chain 1, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. And there you have a lacy granny square. And that would be a really quick and lacy granny square for making a bedspread. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.